Hey everybody, welcome to SEMA 2024. My name is Chuck Searles, Training Manager with Snap-on's Total Shop Solutions. Today we're working with the Hofmann 1685 rim clamp tire changer. This is a new model with a few key and distinct differences. First and foremost, we have marks on the turntable that indicate your rim size. Up top here, we have a left side bead assist, both tire lift and bead presser. We have increased rigidity and strength here in the swing arm. And over here on the side, we have a floor-mounted shovel-style bead breaker with a hand control versus a foot control for greater stability and control. Okay, this rim and tire assembly has already been broken, so we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. And I'm going to expand the jaws out to full. Note here on the ends that we have new protective covers put on the cylinders, which is pretty nice. Also note as we're going around here, we have basically smart speed, which is a variable speed setting between a high and a low speed. Automatically regulates speed and torque as necessary. We're going to keep low here, get into clamp position. Drop this in. And clamp our rim. We get our tire pressure sensor in position here. We're going to unlock and bring down the mount demount head. Okay, as I'd mentioned, this whole assembly here, the structural rigidity is increased, and this reduces the chance of skip damage when you're prying against the mount demount head. Okay, now that we're locked in place, make sure our distance is set using the side screw here. We're going to use our Wave Plus tire lever here. Grease it up a little bit. Pop it down and pry the lip of the tire over the head. Now, if I needed to, I could use my bead presser here to actually push down to help that tire sneak back down underneath the bead seat there into the drop center. I'm going to quickly reverse direction just a little bit and then remove the tool. We'll stow that, and we're going to spin the outer bead of the tire off. Okay, we're bringing our tire pressure sensor back around to that safe position. Now we're going to take the Wave Plus lever again and drop it down on the side here. Now, after I get this down in place, I'm going to actually bring this over so it can help me on the second part of this process. Okay, so now we're going to lift the tire up. And we're going to pry over. We're going to swing this bead assist around, and now we're going to use this side, which is a tire lifter. With a single hand, and bring this up. Lift that off the tire and remove the tool and stow it. Now we'll spin that tire right off of there. Okay. Now we take our new tire, bring that back in. Put a bit of lube on here. Okay, we're going to get our tire pressure sensor back in safe position, which is here. Drop the tire in. Move the swing arm in. Load the tire. Spin. And now we're ready to mount that outer bead. So we get this in position. I'm going to flip this around, and now we're going to use the pressing foot here. Keep the tire down in that drop center below the bead hump. Spin that up. And we're on. Bring this out of the way. Unclamp. Bring the jaws back in. And now at this point, we are ready to air the assembly up. So again, this is Chuck Searles with Snap-on Total Shop Solutions, and this is the Hofmann 1685.